Hey everyone, Mr. Tess here. Been a little bit since I've done a video, and that's because I moved. I am now in a new apartment. A lot of life changes, things happening, but I'm back in it. I've got two items or so that I'm going to be reviewing. I'm going to start out though, I've got these Tozo T6 earbuds. Now, as you know, I've reviewed just about every Tozo product there is, it seems. Always been happy with their quality. I'm curious to check these out. And then I have a different set of headphones or earbuds from a different maker to check out later. But for now, the Tozo T6. So these are true wireless earbuds, IPX8 Waterproof. They say it's one of their top selling, long-lasting 50-hour battery life. I'm guessing that's in conjunction with the case. So that's a lot of battery life. Bluetooth 5.3. Yeah, 45-hour battery life plus wireless charging. So that's kind of cool. That means you can set it on like any kind of wireless charger and charge versus having to plug it in via USB all the time. Lightweight design, plenty of colors here. Black, sky blue, champagne, rose gold, grass green, white. All pretty nice. You can see the images strolling through there on the right along with the little video. Right now, it looks like they're $26.99 on Tozo's website, or they're $39.99 on Amazon's website. I'll leave an affiliate link for Amazon and the link for the Tozo site. You take your pick where you need to get them if you want to get them. But $26.99 on Tozo's site plus a $6 coupon. I'm not sure what shipping would be at the moment. So that video is playing. Hassle-free listening. OrigX Acoustics. Supposed to be raw frequencies. 45 hours to 10 hours on a single charge. Seems pretty nice. And these are earbuds, so these actually go in your ears. IPX8 protects them from, hey, I was reading that, from damage from splash, sweat, and raindrops. Upgrade faster with the wireless charging. You get some specific soft touch, so it has touch controls, ergonomic design, life's good, high stereo sound, but and dimensions. So the case dimensions, earbuds, about the size of a quarter for the earbud, 5.3, lightweight. And 18 hertz to 20,000 hertz, so pretty normal range there. But you are here to actually see the product. So let's see the product. Oh, that's me. We'll get to that video in a minute. All right, so here is the T6 earbuds. We're going to see if we can get a little more light shining on this bad boy so you can see it. So you can see the box here. Pretty standard T6. All the different colors along the side there. Some nice little tech stuff on the back. And good. Let's go ahead and open it up. Meeny, meeny, miny. All right, we're going to go from the underside here. Tag it from the underbelly. So yeah, I'm happy to be, got my new setup and area, got my streaming, all that different stuff set up. So hopefully I should get back into some video content creation, and we'll go from there. So this is the box. We open it up there. Pull that out. And you get a lovely little user manual. All good things. Focus, 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 focus. Good. Ah, yes, it specifically says not for swimming. So yes, well, good for splash and rain. Don't take them into the pool with you. Tells you proper fit. Should fit nicely in your ear. Like that. And they give you a standard, oh, so here's extra ear nubs, so you can get different sizes. If you have smaller ears, bigger ears, you're covered. Standard USB-A to C cable. And then here are the earbuds themselves. You can see there, they've got little fingerprint protective tabs on the top. And probably also, yep, has a little cover here so that they don't just sit in the case. There you go. So put that back into there. Grab this one. Take that off of there. There we go. Now they can be activated. Nice, compact, good to fit in the pocket. Weight's not bad. It does have a little charging indicator here on the front. So that's good. Never mind the toddler screaming at the TV in the background. He's having a good time. Okay, so let's get these paired up with the phone. So I got my phone here. We are going to do that. We're going to go to Bluetooth, details. And so with Bluetooth, I'm going to open these up. Set those right there. Go down and find Tozo T6. Came right up on my Bluetooth here. Going to pair. All right, they are paired up. I'm going to pop them in my ear. It does have a little R right here on it. So that's the right, and that's the left. And it immediately had already started playing up my Spotify. But I have some test songs here that we'll try. So we've got some a barbershop song, Michael Bublé, Haven't Met You Yet, Christina Perri, Jar of Hearts, Eagles, Hotel California, Kansas, Dust in the Wind, Pearl Jam, Even Flow, and Taylor Swift, We're Never Ever Getting Back Together. Now, one thing to note, these are earbuds, so we're going to change our view here. There we go. So they fit in your ear, like they are full plugs. So when I have these in, it's blocking outside. So just know that it's a normal earbud. Now, I don't know if these have a pass-through mode, but I can control play or pause. I'm going to open up the Tozo app real quick, and we're going to just test and see if they have other settings in there. So if I go to multimedia, Tozo, so I've got the Tozo program here. I'm going to add Tozo T6. And we'll switch the camera again, just so you can see that. Okay, so Tozo T6. So it's connected with the Tozo app. And you can see the T6 there. The settings I have, I can change my equalizers with different sound effects. Oh, it wants me to, that's fine. So there's all sorts of different sound effect options. And I don't see any kind of option for like pass-through or transparency mode or noise cancellation mode that you see with some of the others. I don't know about the AI. Yeah, that's fine. Go away, AI. All right. Oh. So if I go into settings, there is a low latency option. Touch controls, over-the-air update, so we can check to see if there's a firmware update. You're on using the latest firmware, so that's good. But the touch controls is nice because you can pick what the controls are for the left and the right when you tap them. So you can do next song, previous song. So different options there. So you can customize what your touch buttons will do, or if you find you're touching and you don't want to use touch, you can turn it off. You can find your earbuds, water drainage, interesting. So they don't have a pass-through like some of the others I've reviewed, but let's see what the sound quality is like. So we're going to go back to this camera. We're going to go multimedia, player. Let's start with We're Never Getting Back Together. I can immediately say nice bass, like it's good pounding bass. Yeah, definitely a much more immersive sound than some of the over the ears or the ear clip ones. Pearl Jam. I'm going to try changing the equalizer from standard to pop to rock. So the equalizer modes do make a difference on what I'm hearing. I'm going to go with rock. The sound quality is great. If you're looking for normal earbuds and just plain sound, these will do it. Some of the other ones, I like the features of the noise cancellation and particularly the transparency pass-through in this type. I also generally prefer an open ear versus an earbud. But if you're looking for solid sound, these will do it. And at 26 bucks minus $6 off, and if it depending on shipping, hard to go wrong. But yeah, they definitely have good sound. Woo-hoo. Come back here. And a lot of that is also because it is a full earbud and it sits in your ear. But I do like the compactness of the case. The storage and the charging and the battery life of it all is very good. So I'd say it's a solid option. There are other Tozo options, which I would probably use more because I also, like I said, I prefer the open ear. So the open reel, open ego, all of those types of ones. But the N6 is actually one of my favorite in the closed earbud type because it has excellent noise cancellation, has a transparency mode. So check my video for that one if you're looking for this style. I'm not sure what the cost is now of that versus this one, but I like the NC6. It's very nice. So till next time, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and comment, and I appreciate it.